Used to cool the interior of buildings, air conditioners consist of two main parts, an indoor unit and an external unit. The apparatus blows cold air into the room. That is, it draws heat away from the air and releases it outside. Let's follow the phases of this process, starting in the indoor unit. The refrigerant, a cold mixture of vapor and liquid, flows into the pipe system in the indoor unit. A fan circulates the air in the room through the indoor unit. The air in the room cools down, while the refrigerant becomes hot and evaporates completely. The warm vapor flows from the indoor unit into the compressor in the external unit, which compresses it and causes the pressure and temperature of the vapor to rise. The resulting hot vapor is conveyed into the condenser, where the temperature difference between the vapor and its surroundings causes the vapor to release heat. The vapor flowing in the pipe condenses and becomes liquid. This partly cooled warm liquid then enters the expansion valve. It collects here, and therefore the pressure in the incoming pipe is high, while the pressure in the outgoing pipe is low. As the liquid flows through the expansion valve, its pressure drops suddenly, and therefore it partly evaporates and cools down. The resulting cold mixture of vapor and liquid is conducted back into the indoor unit.